morning. It's a beautiful day here in upstate New York. Today, I'm going to be putting some fence in. I was able to get my compost pile turned yesterday and got everything moved out of the way. Got my tractor set up. I went to Home Depot, got the 4x4 post, concrete. So we only have 3 sections to put up, but we're going to get that done today while we have the time. Just got a few things to get together here, a tape measure, some string, drill, and we're going to get to it. I'm going to let the tractor warm up in the meantime, and then we'll get moving. So finally, I was able to get it done. I should say we were able to get it done. Maria came and gave me a hand. But here's the fence. 3 sections brought us up quite a bit. We still have to put the green fabric up. The side of the chicken coop is now open. I don't know exactly when, but hopefully over the next couple days, maybe evenings, I'll get that electric door out and we'll get that installed. There's the fence. I'm not gonna lie, there's 3 sections. It kicked my ass. The first post we had to put in, we ran into 2 good-sized roots and a bunch of little roots, but we got it. The yard is a mess here, but this is what happens springtime on a homestead. But yeah, springtime is always fun. You finally get to get out of the house. Cabin fever is over. Start moving around, start doing things, start cleaning things up. Sometimes you got to make things worse to make things better. But we'll get there. It's one day at a time. We actually have 6 more baby chickens coming tomorrow. I don't know what it is with these people. They buy chickens and I'm not exactly sure where these 6 are coming from. To be honest, I think somebody bought them for a photo shoot and now they don't know what to do with them. So we decided that we're going to take them in too. But you know, people, I mean, if you're not prepared or you don't know how to take care of animals and livestock like this, I mean, just let somebody else buy them. You know, to buy a bunch of baby chickens for a photo shoot for Easter and then have to get rid of them because you don't know what to do with them or whatever. I mean, it's just not, I don't know, I don't feel it's good practice. I mean, you could probably go somewhere, you could probably find somebody local that's buying chickens and do a photo shoot and now and go about your business. But whatever, just my opinion, not that my opinion matters. But yep, the chickens are already doing their job. They're down here, they're turning more compost. That one right there happens to be my favorite. At one point in time, I could hold her. I'm not going to try now. I'm sure I could grab her, but I don't want to. Come here. Nope. I'm not going to chase her around. So, but yeah, we thank you for joining. But yeah, we thank you for taking the time to watch our video. We hope you enjoyed it. I don't know how much you learned from it, but until next time, we appreciate you watching. Give us a thumbs up, a comment, and let us know what you think. Thank you. Thanks for watching.